Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook mailbox is cluttered with too many folders and you want to tidy things up, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through how to delete folders in Outlook step by step, quickly, safely, and effectively. Whether you're using Outlook for work or personal emails, this guide will help you stay organized in no time. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page through Microsoft's website. Click on Sign In and enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll land on the Outlook Mail dashboard. This is where all your folders are displayed on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see your default folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts, along with any custom folders you may have created before. Now, scroll through the list and find the folder you want to delete. Once you spot it, simply right-click on the folder name. A small menu will appear with several options. If you don't see the delete option immediately, click on the three-dot icon beside the folder name. This will open an extended action menu. From there, look for and select Delete Folder. At this point, Outlook may display a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Just click Yes or Confirm. The folder will instantly disappear from the sidebar. And just like that, it's gone. A quick note, deleting a folder will also remove all emails stored inside it, so double check before confirming the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a folder in Outlook. Fast, clean, and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more practical Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.